So we have good cameras. We have decent audio. But man, I wish we had some lights. Man, I wish we could have some lights. So we ordered 2 LED panels from GVM. Basically don't know much about lights, but very good reviews for the cost. So these are the 480s. 480s, it's basically the one of, if not the cheapest line from GVM. And yeah, let's give it a try. Surprise! So, I'm assuming this is the power cord. This must be the other part of the power cord. And here she is. Barn doors, which, yeah. So I think these will work out very well in our very small studio here. Let's plug them in and try them out. Can we have some stands? Light stands? Look at that. Where did these come from? Stands too. Thank you. Yeah, just the universal mount, and then we'll plug them in and try them out. They're very light, very small and light. I hope they're powerful enough. So this is the color, and then the brightness. So right, percentage. So 10%. Wow. Yeah, those are plenty bright enough. So on the back, power switch. I don't have batteries for them, but you use number 2 if you use the batteries. Number 1 for AC power. I think 5100 Kelvin is good for this office. Let's try something. Let's put it. Trying to avoid direct light. What do you think? How do I look? Skinny? This will give us many more possibilities. We've always had a limitation. Our schedules don't line up, Brian and I. So I'm available either late at night or in the middle of the day. In the middle of the day, you have harsh, very harsh light. Up until this point, we've been shooting outdoors, and it's very hard to control audio there. It's also hard to control light or people walking around because we don't have our own property to just take control of, or to just set up and have no interruptions. So now we can shoot product photography, or we can play more inside. We can review our different camera gears. I want to do a tutorial on what I have to see if it can help anyone. So this gives us so many more possibilities. At this point, I don't think the setup is good like this. We'll probably have to put them out of the frame, and we'll bounce it off of some kind of white cardboard or something, just so that it's not as harsh, and make it look more natural. Brian and I will do a lot of playing around, moving them around a bit until we get really comfortable with the studio setup. So I have an office that I use. It's an apartment that we use as an office, and we're kind of taking over this section to be our studio. So I have no experience with light at all. Brian has significantly more, so I'm going to rely on him to help me, but after a few videos or after a little while we'll determine if these two lights are good enough, they're powerful enough, or maybe we need either something to bounce, or we need some backlights, something to help with the shadows, or something to make me look skinnier. Brian just shook his head no, it's not possible. In the future, we'll have another video where we describe and show all the different angles of the lights and cameras and microphone. So why we decide to do that, and what kind of experiments that we did, or trial and error. So in the next few videos you might see the lighting change, or the audio sounds different, and after we really have it set up the way we like, we'll create another video and show you the behind the scenes of the studio. Please click subscribe, and then you can get notified when the next videos come out. Thank you for watching. Matana. Matana. Not you.